Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Dear students, the Chinese born virus, considered to be born from Wuhan city of China, has put life at stake. Life is partially, or we can say, life is paralyzed economically, socially, politically, educationally. It is paralyzed. Right from April 2020, schools are closed. Even elementary schools are still closed, but some educational activities are going on in higher secondaries and high schools from 21st of September. That is the partial mode of physical schooling is on in higher secondaries and high schools. Better is to attend schools on your turn with all SOPs to be followed in letter and spirit so that you can save yourselves first from this deadly virus. And second important thing is that you can receive the counseling and guidance from your concerned teachers and will crack the coming examinations with nice percentage of marks because board is well set to conduct your examinations in the month of November, late November. Dear students of class 12th particularly, and this video will also benefit the class 10th. Today we are dealing with conditionals, but today it is the wood condition. Already the present condition you learned in the previous video, and today it is the wood condition. Dear students, already addressed to you, already you learned that the condition is having conditional sentence having two parts, that is the if clause and the main clause. For example, if it rains I shall stay at home. If it rains is if clause and I shall stay at home is main clause. And today we are dealing with would condition. You remember, we are dealing with would condition. If plus past simple, if plus past simple plus would and the first form of the verb like this. If I had enough money, if I had enough money I would go to England. It means simply if plus past simple and then would and then the first form of verb. Take one more example. If I knew answer of the question, I would tell you. If plus past simple and then would and then the first form of the verb. Dear students, the wire construction is also used in the wood condition wire construction, that is WRE wire. For example, if I were a bird, I would fly. If I were a bird, I would fly. And the person does not change with the person does not change in case of wire. If I were chief minister, if I were chief minister, I would do better works. I would do better work. So it is if plus past simple plus would plus first form of the verb. Remember, it is if plus past simple plus would and then the first form of the verb. And the wire condition is also used in would condition. I have already quoted an example. If I were bird, I would fly. And then another condition is that is would have condition. It is would have condition. It is construction is like this: if plus past perfect. If plus past perfect plus would have and third form of the verb. Remember, past perfect is a tense in which you find had with the third form of the verb. For example, I had passed the examination. It is past perfect. So it is if I had worked hard, I would have passed the examination. If I had practiced hard, I would have passed the test. Dear students, it is the would condition. I am repeating the things for you. The conditional sentence is having two parts. One is called the if clause and another is called the main clause. For example, if It rains, I shall stay at home. If it rains is the if clause, and I shall stay at home is the main clause. And the present condition you already learned, that is if plus present simple plus present simple. For example, if you heat ice, it melts. It is general truth. It's if plus present simple plus present simple. Today we are dealing with wood condition. It is if plus past simple plus would and first form of the verb. For example, if I had enough money, I would go to England. If I had enough money, I would go to Canada. Then where condition is also used in would condition. If I were a bird, I would fly. Dear students, then the last one is would have condition. It is construction is like this: if plus past perfect plus would have and third form of the verb, that's called the past participle also. If I had worked hard, I would have passed the examination. If I had practiced well, I would have passed the test. If team had played well, they would have won the match. Dear students, this is all about the would condition. Hope you might have grasped the concept. In case of any confusion or query that may strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number. And when you post your query by any means, by WhatsApping or by calling, within short duration of time, your query or confusion shall be cleared. Dear students, before leaving the class, I am advising you to see these things on your available English grammar book so that you can learn the concept well. Dear students, this English languages are always arbitrary, and English language is not our own language like Urdu. We have borrowed it from England, and borrowed things can't be controlled well. There are some exceptions in English language, and we have to go with these exceptions. Dear students, self-study and hard work have no substitute at all. You must concentrate on self-studies and hard work, and the time would be yours, and you will crack the examinations with nice percentage of marks. Dear students, the physical schooling is on from 21st of September. You must come to the school to receive guidance and counseling from your concerned teachers so that you can take your sinking boat to the bank, because you are hit hard, hit hard by this deadly virus academically. Thanks, be blessed. My prayers are always with you.